Okay, so this is my deriving law of sines video. So here I have a triangle, and I had to draw that line or draw the height or the altitude in it because it wasn't a right triangle, and we're trying to find the angles of triangle, and we can only do that with the trig ratio. But in order to use the trig ratio, it has to be a right triangle. So I drew in the dotted line. So we're using sine. Sine is opposite of hypotenuse. So here, to find the sine of A, it would be h over b, which is opposite over hypotenuse. And then to find sine of b, it would be h over a for the opposite over hypotenuse. So I set a proportion to kind of get the information more like in a way better to understand it. So I ended up getting h equals b times sine a, then h also equals a times sine b, and being that b times sine a and a times sine b both equal h when they equal each other, so I set them equal to each other, and I did a little math, a little cross multiplying, or cross dividing really, and kind of, and and I did b times sine a divided by b, and I did it on the same on the other side too, and then I did the same thing with a, and then I got sine a equals sine a over a equals sine b over b, and basically that's 2/3 of the formula to get the law of sines. And then if you had drawn your height elsewhere in the triangle, you would have got the third piece, which is sine c over c. In there, I get that. So I just did a little practice problem at the bottom that shows you how I did my problem, how I set up my proportion according to these numbers and from this one, and yeah.